Hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to learn how to make this waffle chart. You can see if I'm going to switch this slider to left side, it is becoming 0%, and if I'm coming to the right side, it is becoming 100%. So we are going to make this chart. So you can see here we have 100 numbers. So basically we are generating 10 numbers to the right side and 10 number to the from top to bottom. So what I will do, I will use sequence for that. And here I'm using Office 365, so you can take the help of old school if you are not using Office 365. So here I'm going to use sequence, and here I'm generating 10 rows. You can see it is going to generate 1 to 10 number. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply every number by 1 to 10, so it will generate 1 to 100 numbers. So multiply sequence comma 10. Why comma 10? Because I this time I want 10 numbers in row form. So you will see here the answer is like this, and you can see that overall all the number count is 100. So we have generated 100 numbers, but you can see the ambiguity of this data. Here some numbers are duplicate, but we don't want any duplicate number. What I will do, I will convert every number to 1. So here you will see I'm going to convert every number to 1. Now what I will do in that case, I will after that I will simply find out the cumulative of all the numbers. Then then our problem will be resolved. So here I'm going to simply put the thing in parentheses, and I'm going to power by 0. You will see the power 0 is converting every number into 1. Now what I will do, I will use scan function to calculate the cumulative scan. Here I'm going to use initial value is 0 comma, this whole thing is your array, so comma, and function would be your lambda function. So lambda, and the last thing is here the parenthesis has gone. Okay, here I'm going to use x comma y. This 0 is your x, and this whole thing is the y. And now here I'm going to use x and plus y, close the parentheses, and enter. Now it will generate number like this. So it is basically generating every number in ascending order, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, and so on. But I don't want the numbers in ascending order, I want in descending order. So what I will do, I will set initial value by 101, and instead of this adding, I'm going to subtract every number means by 1. So what it will do, it will here if the starting point is 101, it will subtract 1 in it, so the number will become 100. And here here I'm going to subtract 2, so the number will become 99, so on. And you will see here the purpose has resolved. Now what we need to do, we need to simply add uh, scroll bar over here. Here we have developer tab, you can enable that thing from the customize ribbon. So here I'm going to use insert. Now I'm going to add scroll bar over here, and here we see insert tab, and this time here we have scroll bar. You can simply add it like this. Now just right click on it and format control. Now here we have minimum value is 0, maximum is 100. Now incremental is 1, that is good. Now I can link to any cell. So let's say I'm linking this one and click OK. Now what it will do, if I will switch to right side, so number will increase automatically. And if we are simply dragging and dropping like this, so it is looking like this. Now we are going to use conditional formatting over here. So simply select our data like this, and here we have home tab, conditional formatting. Here we have icon set, and here I'm going to use this one, 3 traffic lights. Simply click on it, and now I'm going to manage the rule, manage rule. Here we have icon set, just double click on it, and now we can set the rules. Let's say I'm taking the green one, and for the value less than, so I'm going to change the 67. I'm going to delete it, and I'm going to link a cell with this one, and you can see here I'm going to assign no cell icon, and here I'm going to link the cell once again. And here we have, even we can put the same color, let's say this one, and for the rest we are simply choosing red one and click OK and click OK. So now it will look like this. Here you can see 12 and 12. Now if I will increase the number, it is looking like this, but we need to hide this number also. So again I'm going to use the manage rules in the conditional formatting. Manage rule, here we have we need to click double click on it, and here we're going to click show icons only and OK and apply and OK. Now just simple formatting, assign to middle and center. Even we can simply squeeze the size like this. So see you in next video. Keep enjoying and keep learning.